Hey folks, I'm Walter with a cruising poll question for you. How do you spend your sea days? Is it A, you do nothing by the pool, B, all the trivia, C, literally as many activities as you can possibly do in a day, or D, a spa day? Sabrina?
My favourite way to spend a sea day is definitely be all of the trivia. Morning trivia, afternoon trivia, pre-dinner trivia, I will be there. But I probably won't win.
Nice. So if you see Sabrina on a ship, definitely help her out with her trivia. So maybe she'll win. This cruise life?
So I love to lay out on deck and like to sneak in a little nap every now and then.
I'll lay out a little bit here and there, but I actually enjoy walking the ship, getting lost, wandering around. I also love to eat all of the delicious food, and I'll participate in the occasional trivia.
And I will eat all of the delicious food as well, whether it's a sea day brunch or some blue iguana on Lido, street eats on Mardi Gras.
Hey, I'm totally down with having food any day, anytime, whether it's a sea day or not. So for me, you know, if I'm on a princess or a celebrity ship, it's probably going to be A, I'm just going to hang out by the pool. But if I'm on Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, or Carnival, probably going to be activities all day long. Now, what about you guys?